Great, thank you. Our final question, what is the one final tip you have for people to increase their financial wellness? I do want to add that expenses is a big part. So expenses for me, lowering your expenses has double impact. It lowers the amount of money that you need to make, and it lowers the amount that you're obligated to pay. And so when you think about it that way, when you want to tackle expenses versus trying to create more income, tackle expenses, start lowering them down, you'll improve your financial well-being.
Okay, so one final tip. I would say challenge yourself. I already mentioned doing something small every day. Challenge yourself to do something that's a stretch for where you already are in your personal finances. We have now up on the Rutgers Cooperative Extension website every challenge that I've developed. And in the last year, I've developed 5 different savings challenges. We've got the 30-day challenge that will give you $100 in 30 days. We've got the $2,500 challenge that will give you that amount of money at the end of a year. There's the 52-week challenge. We developed the 15-week challenge for the semester. So if any of you are teaching classes, I had my personal finance class do the 15-week challenge as we competed with Penn State. So let's just say they won the football game, but we won the savings challenge. And my class of 18 students at Rutgers saved $5,800 collectively in fall semester last year. So that challenge works really well for students because it's kind of the same length as a semester, and also for any kind of short-term goals that people might have. And then I also developed a youth challenge that includes parents matching what their children save, so that they kind of get a match like you'd have in a 401k plan if you were saving for retirement. So I think just challenge yourself. Just try to stretch yourself, do a little bit more. If you're already doing something good, do more. You know, like maybe the next time there's a new raise at Rutgers, you know, when the salary schedules kick in, that's a great opportunity to maybe increase your retirement savings by, you know, 1% or 2%. So just stretch yourself and move forward.
My final tip is allow yourself to know that your plan is going to change. So you're here today, which is amazing, and you're going to probably be really inspired to just go through notes, make a plan, and be okay with the plan is going to need to change because your life is going to change. You might need a new car because you just found out you're going to have twins and your Honda Civic doesn't work for that anymore, or you decided that you would choose to, I don't know, go to Florida and move to go somewhere warm where it's like this every day. And that's going to happen in life, as I'm sure we've all experienced. You know, if your plan changes, so be okay with that and have a plan that's a little bit able to be a little bit nimble so that you can feel satisfied with what you're doing with your life and feel full. Thank you.
Mine's a little bit different. Jason had pointed this out during his presentation, and that was, you know, when we were kids, they taught us to find the radius of the circle, but they didn't teach us to balance a checkbook. And as a result, a lot of us have learned our financial literacy through mistakes. It's often the hardest lesson learned. And so my advice is that if you don't know, or you're running into a problem, don't be afraid to reach out to get some advice and get some help. There's the credit unions like Pam's, there's organizations like mine, there are a number of free and wonderful options out there. There's Frugal. Don't be afraid to reach out. That people that work in our industry, we know firsthand how difficult it can be. It's hard for us to walk our own talk every day. You know, for me to sit up here and talk to you, I'm serious about having a car with 145,000 miles on it. And I'm serious about my kids being sick and being concerned about how to pay for those things. So we understand. And there's a lot of humiliation and a lot of stigma that comes with money management issues. And the reality of it is that it's not easy. And that there are wonderful organizations and knowledgeable people that provide you guidance and information and anything that you need to get you to where you need to be. Just don't be afraid to reach out and ask.
Great. Well, thank you all for this.
Prizes.
And we have prizes.
Prizes. your
I will not.
Montana map there. I might get lost up there in the wilderness there and come in handy. Okay, so we have some lovely parting gifts here. Again, we'd like to thank you for coming. We hope that the program was helpful for you. Let's give Jason a round of applause and thank you. 107 days on the road, and again, you can follow him on Twitter on the Road 2016. And you're going to be also doing some live video streaming and stuff like that.
Yes, we'll be doing Facebook Live and Periscope as well.
So it'd be good if you want to follow him to get on Twitter, and then you'll see his tweets and you'll be able to see what they're doing. Also, I'll just mention in case any of you are either related to teachers or no teachers, we're doing our financial boot camps this summer for New Jersey financial educators, and there's 2 sessions around the state, and there's some